Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That is my new project. It basically is a Mustang 1.43 scale, 2.8 meters over wingspan. It has a Fiala 120 in front. I've been flying on this. I have some around 20 flights, and now I've decided that it's time to do all the painting and all the things that this bird deserves. It's a beautiful plane. It flies really well. And the first thing I've started to do is my landing, the rear landing gear. Before it was mounted like this. As you can see on the video, I wasn't happy. It was working bad. It was not scaled, too much of a gap. So I've decided to put everything away. And now I've came to this. So this is basically what I've done so far. I've glued in the carbon this so that it stops. Then of course I've made a stopper so it stops it, so it comes flush on one side. Basically I've glued all those joints because those things are not as nice. So what I will do is just like I did here, it is a small dent inside if you can see inside of that, and then of course a small dent I will make it inside of that so it opens enough, so it has enough of a throw. The first version was only the carbon, and this is a sandwich. Is made out of Erex inside, so the hinges will go inside so they are not seen. As you can see also with this one, you see, if I put it down, they're inside, they're not seen. There will be some little details on that thing here. Of course, everything nice and smooth. Yes, and that's what I am been doing so far. So hopefully everything comes nice. So in order to get that hinge, that is this kind of feel in to that gap, I have to first with my tool, with my Dremel tool, I have to of course stand it. You see I've made a little like this so it then slides in. Let me check how does this now go all together. You see, you have to push it very slowly so you don't break anything, and it has to come in the middle. There you go. That's how it's done. As you can see, it's right in the middle. It slips right in. It will be glued then. I still feel there is a bump here, so I'm gonna just, because I'm not too happy with it, I'm gonna just widen this gap a little bit with my other Dremel tool, if I can. Let me see how that goes again. There is a bigger gap. Yes, much better. It comes in. It's all flush, as you can see. You see, there is no bumps, no nothing. That's how it's supposed to be. There you go. Both are done. So let me now try and put this on so I see that everything fits, and then we'll go on further from here. That's the far I could come. I mean, I tried to make all the gaps equal. I'm not happy with all the gaps there. I mean, definitely the middle one, it's too big. And I do not like that. Well, it's not as I want it to, because there's so much gap, but it is much better. It holds. So what I've done is I've put in the balsa. Here I've put in, as you can see, this carbon here, Basically now it should hold and it should be flush as it is flush. I'm still not happy with the gaps, especially here on the side. I might have, I don't know what I will do. Yes, I see. Even now here, you see, this is not perfectly flush. I don't know what I have to do. Maybe I will have to bend it a little bit so that it comes perfectly flush. On this side it is. On this side is not. And as well here. So, and also this gap here. This gap here, I don't like it. I mean, those are crazy. Now it's better. Now it's better. What I've done, I've put the rubber, you know, and I've also here I will rubber it and here I rubber it, so there is no air coming in. Yay, that is better. Here, this is now much better.